I've been scrolling through TikTok lately and seeing all those trendy hair care routines and hacks for hair loss prevention and regrowth. I swear my phone is spying on me. I'm shedding and graying a lot more recently, actually. And let me guess, you're the same as I am? Feeling overwhelmed with all the shampoos, serums, oils people are recommending. Rosemary oils, minoxidil, biotin supplement, which one is the right fit for you? Don't worry, you're not alone. But before I rush in and buy everything I see, I like to break down all the information for myself. At the end, the hair is mine and I don't think I can afford more try and error. Hey, I'm Sally, the DNA Diva. Thanks for dropping by. If you're new here, I'm sharing my journey of empowering myself to take control of my beauty and health with my wise and sassy brain power. Don't die is one thing, staying sassy is another. I'm a woman at the end, right? Today we're diving into the real science behind hair loss and how to solve it. I decided to first grab some insights from some of the top trendy experts in this field. I'm sure you have seen them here and there, like Dr. Eric Burt on supplement and nutrients, and Dr. Andrew Huberman. He's a Stanford neuroscientist specialized in brain function and health with his big name podcast guests from everywhere. I'm going to uncover what might be the reason for the cause of my hair loss, of course. Whether it's nutrient, hormone, or something else entirely, I've done a lot of research in academia world and found some interesting hack that I want to share. And so make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to share some of the best hair care solutions that might inspire you too. First thing first, what is hair made of? Hair is primarily made of keratin, a tough protein that provides strength and flexibility. Alongside with keratin, melanin determines hair color, while lipid and natural oil keeps hair moisturized and shiny. Hair also contains a small amount of water for flexibility and minerals like zinc and iron, which support the overall structure and health. Structurally, hair is composed of three layers: the cuticle, the outer protected layer, the cortex, which contains color and strength, and sometimes the medulla, a soft core found in the certain hair types. These components together give hair resilience and durability. You are what you eat applies to your hair too. So let's start with diet, a factor often underestimated in hair health. Without the right vitamins and minerals, hair growth suffered, leading to thinning and even hair loss. Here's how the expert view it.
Fertilizer on their hair and in hopes that their hair is going to grow back. They might use a little Rogaine medication or shampoos or oils, trying to fix this thing from the outside in instead of the inside out.
Dr. Eric emphasized the importance of B vitamin, especially in biotin, B7, alongside with zinc, iron, and vitamin D for healthy hair. These nutrients support keratin production and protein that forms the structure of your hair. For instance, biotin helps break down proteins into essential building blocks, which zinc maintain the oil glands and around the hair follicles. But be aware, too much zinc can interfere with the copper absorption, which is also vital for hair. Balance. It's all about balance, like yoga. Another important fact comes to processed sugar and healthy fats. The doctor explains that consuming too much sugar and not enough good fats can lead to inflammations, which affects hair follicles and contribute to hair thinning. To counteract this, Dr. Boyce recommends incorporating hair-friendly food and help reduce inflammation and nourish the scalp.
All you need to do is wait. Your hair will grow back better than before because now you've given it healthy, fat-based hormones.
Spinach and leafy green, rich in iron and vitamin A, helps oxygenate the scalp and support natural oil productions. Salmon, full of omega-3 fatty acids, reducing inflammation and keep hair hydrated, while nuts and seeds providing zinc and vitamin E to support scalp health and protecting hair from damage. By balancing these nutrients, you've given your hair a better foundation for growth and resilience. Another video I went through emphasized the importance of vitamin D as a frequently overlooked in hair health. Vitamin D, more accurately a hormone.
One thing you need to know about vitamin D is not really a vitamin, it's a hormone, and it's involved in 10% of our genes.
The doctor also highlights scalp calcification as another issue that can restrict blood flow to hair follicles, impacting growth. Magnesium is essential here.
Little key to this mystery, and that is magnesium is the most potent regulator of calcium. Whether you have calcium building up inside your cell or your mitochondria, magnesium is the regulator of that.
For optimal hair care, the video recommended maintaining vitamin D level above 70 nanogram per milliliter and supplementing magnesium, zinc, and iron as needed. Alright girls, let's dive in how your environment can mess with your hair health. Because it's not just about the product that you're using, let's talk about hard water. If you're in an area with water that load with calcium and magnesium, it's no wonder your hair's feeling dry and brittle. Those minerals build up on your scalp, clog your follicles, and lead to thinning. So, if hard water is your reality, grab a shower filter as soon as possible. It softens the water and keeps your hair from feeling like straw. Trust me, you'll notice the difference. But guess what? Lucky me, I'm in Vancouver, where the water is naturally soft and pure and doesn't come with that hard water baggage. Vancouver's water ranks high in no mineral content, which means fewer clogged follicles and softer hair. It's not quite the level of the place like Finland or Switzerland, but it's among the best in Canada and fantastic for hair health. And let's not forget about those hair care products. Watch out for sulfates, parabens, and alcohols lurking in your shampoo. They strip your hair's natural oil, irritate your scalp, and causing way more damage than you sign up for. Switching to a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo will give your hair a break it deserves. I actually just found a pH 4.5 shampoo. My shedding became less. Been trying for a few months now, seems working for me so far. Now city dwellers, here's another curveball: pollutions. All that lovely dust, smoke, and whatever floating around can wreak havoc on your hair. This pollution causes oxidative stress, weakening and damaging your follicles. To fight back, try detox treatment like an apple cider vinegar rinse, or use antioxidant-rich serum to shield your hair from the urban grime. I think this works like acidic peach shampoo too. Not sure if you know, but I just found out that our scalp is actually acidic, and that's probably why low pH vinegar works. Yes, the world might be throwing all kinds of things at your hair, but with a few smart moves, you can keep and looking fabulous no matter what's in the air. Alright ladies, let me spill what I've been researching on my hair loss journey. Dealing with severe eczema means my cortisol level are always on a roller coaster. And I can't help but wonder if that's putting me at a higher risk of hair thinning than others my age. Honestly, I'm feeling like this constantly stress could be speeding things up. Here's what I have found. When we're stressed, cortisol throws our hair's growth cycle completely out of whack. Your hair basically hits the pause button, and suddenly there's more shedding than usual. But with chronic stress, things go even deeper. High cortisol doesn't just mess with your hair, but it triggers conditions like alopecia areata, where your immune system actually attacks your own hair follicles. Not the kind of stress we need, right? Then there's DHT, that hormone infamous for shrinking hair follicles that causing thinning. Turn out high cortisol can push up the DHT level and even throw off the thyroid and insulin level, adding even more drama. And let's not forget the inside-out approach. I'm making sure I'm getting my vitamins, my vitamin B, iron, zinc from my diet. Plus considering supplements like biotin and collagen for extra boost. Now here's something I've been noticed. Lots of us are dealing with hair loss that links back to our diet. So many girls, like myself included, cutting out certain foods to look and feel their best. It's easy to miss out on essential like iron and protein, which you can easily get from eggs or nice cut of red meat. So let's balance things out a bit. Picture this, a calming cup of chamomile or lavender tea to soothing the mind. Then enjoy a juicy steak to nourish your body. Finish up with some gentle yoga stretches and a quick meditation sections. I'm actually planning to give this a try myself, and I'll share my journey on my IG if you're wondering which product are best suited you and your genes. My new app, Genomii, can give you a personalized rundown. Be one of the first. Try out by signing up for our beta test. Let's take this journey together with all the precision that science can offer. If you are enjoying this holistic breakdown of hair health, hit the follow button and drop a comment. I'd love to hear what topics you are excited to explore next. Cheers and embracing our hair journey together. See you next week, ladies. Stay fierce, stay fabulous.